some fucking weird ass cloud formations. Oh, the camera won't pick that up, but what the hell? Hey, what's going on, guys? Just left work on my way home. Got the storm sitting above my head. Hopefully I get home quick enough before it touches down. Come guys, let's make this light. No, don't break. A little bit of a douchey riding there, but that guy was driving slow as fuck. Alright, so yeah, I figured I'd come to you today with the story of how I came about Betty. Because this is my Betty. Fuck, how do I even start the story? I suppose it came for me deciding that I need to get a bike. I want a bike, I need it. Get it in my life. And I was like, alright, we're gonna do this. I had convinced myself that we're getting a bike, something I'd always wanted since I was a little girl. However, I had a big fucking obstacle to cross, and that was to convince my mom. Yeah, so the biggest obstacle for me was convincing my mom to let me get a bike. I mean, I wasn't expecting her to pay for it or anything. I was going to do it myself because I'm a big boy. But yeah, to get her to let me get one was fucking the 4th Tom Cruise movie, Mission Impossible, something like that. I don't know. Fuck my lame joke. So yeah, I don't know how I was going to convince my mom, because she was anti-motorbikes for a very long time.
I don't think you should. Don't do it! Don't do it!
A couple of years back, we had a death in the family because of a motorbike accident. And my mom never really recovered from that, and she always saw the motorbikes as the devil's transport, you know. I had no idea how I was gonna do it, so I actually gave my brother a call and told him that I had my ideas of getting a bike, because he always understood. And I said to him, like, well, what do you suggest I do about my mom, you know? And he's like, hey, you know, just go get one. You're old enough, you know, what is she gonna do? She's not exactly gonna spank my bottom and put me in the corner or some shit like that.
Nobody puts baby in a corner.
But I didn't want to do that. I mean, that's just a little bit disrespectful, considering the hatred my mom has for motorbikes. This BMW next to me wants to race.
Chicken dinner.
Oh, this BM driver is fucking driving on my fucking ass. I hope you're proud of yourself, for Tyrone. Oh yeah, back to my story. So I was going to speak to my dad to get his advice on how I should approach my mom about my bike. So I went and played a round of golf with him.
Chin up, back slowly. Oh, God.
And I was shitting myself because I was nervous, I guess. I don't know. Bring up the idea to my dad and he shut me down, and then all of a sudden I'm getting shut down from all angles. So I was a touch nervous, played my round, and I waited for the last fucking hole of the golf course to say to him, hey man, hey daddy, hey papa. My words to him were like, hey dad, so just letting you know, I've been thinking about getting a motorbike license, or something along the lines of that, or I'm going to go get my motorbike license. Hey Tyrone, where did you go? Fucking nowhere, buddy. I feel good about that. I don't drive like a fucking asshole and you got nowhere. Where did you go? Nowhere.
He ain't going nowhere. He's going fucking nowhere. Where you going? No way!
So yeah, my dad was basically like, yeah, that's a great idea. 'Cause, I mean, when he was younger, about my age, he also had motorbikes. So he understands. That was that. So my one half of the parental side was all green lights, and the other half was fucking triple, double bogey red lights. I don't know what you want to call it. About a week later or so, I went to have dinner at my folks' house. You know, your weekly dinner or whatever you want to call it, just to go say howdy do. Howdy do. I was there chilling out, you know, as you do with your folks, just chilling, grilling, killing, illin', you know. Yes, my family and I, we do beatboxes and rap battles. That's how we roll. And out of the blue, my dad says to me, "So, have you asked your mom yet?" And I knew instantly what he was talking about, and shook my head. I'm like, "Nope, I'm too scared." Oh, you should have gone, guys. And without even giving me a second breath, he goes and turns around and he's like, "Hey, woman!" Obviously not like that. But he was like, "So, you know your oldest son is getting a motorbike?" My mom's head just fucking dropped. What was I saying? Yeah, my dad told my mom that her oldest son is gonna get a motorbike, and her head just dropped. I remember she was making dinner. She's like, "Ah, fuck." Literally, it was like, "Ah, fuck." I think I heard her say that. Oh, fucking fuck. I hopped up. I'm like, "Mommy, don't you worry." I'm like, "Mom, don't worry. I have a plan." And I did. I really did have a plan. I mean, this was my biggest obstacle I'd faced in a while, so I definitely did some pre-planning. And I was like, "Listen, Mom, don't worry. I'm going to be safe." And I am. Like, I mean, I'm still a bit scared of riding this thing, so I asserted. I'm like, "Mom, don't you stress. I will be safe." And I then proceeded to lay out to her how I was going to be safe. And number one thing, I said I was going to buy a small motorbike. Nothing big, no leader bikes or turbo boosters or anything like that. I'm going to get a little off-road bike, one where I can travel on the sidewalks. Yeah, I'm gonna jump on the sidewalk here because I don't feel like worming my way through all that traffic. This is why I got a dual sport. Hey, other guy over there. Avoid traffic, be a dick inevitably, and I promised her I wouldn't ride on the freeway.
Is he serious? Oh my god!
I was all like, "I'm gonna ride on the freeway. My bike's not fast enough to go on the freeway." So no freeway riding and no nighttime riding. I said I wouldn't ride at night. I basically promised her that the bike would be used mostly for commuting to work and back. I do drive it every day. Ride my bike every day. Fucking love it. And I do admit I use it more than work. I fucking ride this thing every chance I get, because it's the best. That was better. I went and I convinced her that I was going to do all these safe fucking things and I was going to be the best and I wasn't going to be a douche. I think it worked because by the time I had left my parents' house that night for dinner, my mom was on the intertubes trying to help me find a bike. I shit you not, from wrong gear. From going to being anti-devil bike to helping me look for one, it was literally a fucking 180-degree turn. I tell you, it took me by surprise. She's been on my side. She's helped me look for stuff, she's helped me get stuff, she's helped me pay for stuff. Before this video ends, I'm just gonna say thank you, Mama Bear. You're the best and I love you. Hey, buddy. Hello. Do you want to see? Yeah, over here.